Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn school and credential details with Credly detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the homepage. Once on your profile, locate that Add Profile section button. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select licenses and certifications from the options provided. Now, open a new tab and go to the Credly website. Log into your Credly account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the badge or credential you'd like to add to LinkedIn. Click on the badge to open its details. On the badge detail page, find the option to share or issue the badge. Copy the unique URL provided for the badge. Return to your LinkedIn profile tab. In the Licenses and Certifications section, click on the Add License or Certification button. Paste the unique URL from Credly into the certification URL field. Fill in the required fields such as the name of the certification and the issuing organization, which is Credly. Make sure to set the from date and check the box if the certification is still valid. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the section. Your LinkedIn profile will now display the updated school and credential details from Credly. Verify that the changes appear correctly on your profile. You're now ready to showcase your updated qualifications to your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.